to this video on class 9th chapter 1st number system. In this series of videos, this is part 8 in which we are going to learn about laws of exponents.
बच्चों आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स के बारे में और इससे रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस को भी सॉल्व करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट. व्हेन a द पावर p मल्टीप्लाई विद a द पावर q वी गेट व्हाट a p प्लस q. मल्टीप्लाई में जो भी पावर होगी वो क्या हो जाएगी, ऐड हो जाएगी. सेम हियर a द पावर p द पावर q. सो इस तरह के केस में क्या होता है, a की पावर मल्टीप्लाई विद q हो जाएगी. व्हेन a द पावर p डिवाइडेड बाय a द पावर q देन इट विल इक्वल टू a द पावर p माइनस q. डिवाइड के केस में यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है, माइनस हो जाता है. यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ a है b है, यहाँ पे बेस क्या डिफरेंट है बट पावर क्या सेम है, तो इट कैन बी रिटन एज a b द पावर p. जब पावर नेगेटिव में हो तो हमको उसका क्या करना होगा, रेसिप्रोकल करना होगा. तो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 1 अपॉन a द पावर p and 6 can be written as b by a the power p, and a the power m by n can be written as under root n a the power m or under root n a the power whole m. इस पूरे लॉज में हमें दो बातों का ध्यान रखना होगा. हमारा a हमेशा ग्रेटर देन 0 होगा और p q हमारे जो होंगे वो हमारे रियल नंबर्स होने चाहिए. ओके, लेट अस सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चंस. सी to solve this we can write 16 as 2 to the power 4, the whole power 1 by 2, and again the whole power 1 by 2. So it can be written as 2 4 into 1 by 2. यहाँ पे हमने ये वाला लॉ यूज़ किया है जिसमें a the power m the power 1 by n equal to a the power m into 1 by n. So it can be write like this: 2 square the whole power 1 by half, and again it can be written like this: 2 into 1 by 2, and the answer will be 2. In this way you can solve this type of questions. Okay, let us take another example. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिए. तो आइए देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. See here everyone. So this can be written as 6 2 by 3 into 6 7 by 3, and this can be written 6 6 by 3. 3 2s are 6. So now when this 6 goes to upside, the sign will change here. 6 2 by 3 into 6 7 by 3 into 6 minus 2. Now as we know that all bases are same, so and here is what, multiply, so we can add the powers. So 6 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 minus 2. Here bases are same, we can add directly. 6 9 by 3 minus 2, it will cancel 3. 6 to the power 3 minus 2, you can write 6 power 1 or 6. This is your answer. Okay, let us see another question. Pause the video and try to solve it. So let us see how to solve it. So that x power a minus b the power a plus b into x power b minus c power b plus c multiply x power c minus a power c plus a. So as we know that if a the power m the power n is there, we can write a the power m n. We can use this law. So it can be written as x a minus b a plus b, it will be a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. In the same way, x can be written as b minus c and b plus c, so b square minus c square, and again this can be written as x c minus a and c plus a, c square minus a square. Okay, यहाँ पे बेस क्या हमारा सबका सेम है, सो हम पावर को क्या करेंगे, ऐड कर देंगे. सो x a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. So now you can see that a square and minus a square cancel out, b square cancel out, minus c square plus c square cancel out. So x power 0,
Which is equal to 1. Hence proved.
okay, this is our next question. Pause the video, try to solve it. So let us see how we will going to solve this type of question. So let us suppose that 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y equal to 6 to the power z equal to any constant k. So 2 to the power x can equal to k. So it can also be written as 2 equal to k to the power 1 by x. In the same way, 3y is equal to k, and it can be written as 3 is equal to k to the power 1 by y, and 6 to the power z is equal to k, and it can be written as 6 to the power k 1 upon z. As you can see that as 6 can be written as 2 into 3, है ना. 6 को हम 2 into 3 के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, where 6 is equal to k the power 1 by z equal to 2 is equal to k the power 1 by x, and 3 equal to k the power 1 by and 3 equal to k the power 1 by y. Understand? Okay, this much you have understand. Okay, now see what we're going to do here. Now this can be written as k 1 by z equal to k 1 by x plus 1 by y. As here base are same, we can add like this. Now on comparing the base, we can say that 1 by z equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y, and this can be written as 1 by x plus 1 by y minus 1 by z equal to 0. Hence the first one is true. This equation can be written as 1 by z equal to x और y का LCM लेंगे तो x y and y plus x. It can be written like this. Now when we going to reciprocal it, it will equal to x y and y plus x. हम x और y को चाहे जिसको पहले लिख दें, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. So z is equal to x y upon x plus 1. Hence proved second also.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. If you have any questions or comments about today's topic, leave them down below and we will do our best to respond. And as always, thanks for your continued support. We appreciate each and every one of you and look forward to seeing you in the next video.